Hey, it's Jayna on Jaynas Talk Show, and look. And I have a special guest. She's so cute. Her name is Kaya, and here she is. This is Kaya. Isn't she adorable? Just look at that little face. Aww. Just look. If I were you, I would just keep staring at her. Just look. If you want to see another video of Kaya, if one person subscribes, and if you want to see another video of Kaya, just subscribe. If I hear someone subscribes to me, I'll make another video with Kaya. And, now I can make her do some. I can make Kaya do some tricks. Come here. Just look at her. Did you know if your dog yawns at you, it means they love you? But, okay? Just look at this little nose and this little face. Isn't it adorable? Well, goodbye. There's my eyeball.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.